Well, I guess you're going to Thailand finally. If this is going to be your first time, this might be the things that you might need to know. Because Thailand, and tell you right now, I was born and raised there, and Thailand is weird. You're gonna find out real soon why. Let's get right into it. I was born and raised in Thailand, and things I'm gonna talk about is just normal things, normal life, you know? But since I'm here in the States for so long, when I look back, it's just weird, dude. Well, first thing is, in most restrooms, there ain't no toilet papers. Take it from me, always carry a little tissue paper with you. Just a little bag, it's just little packets or whatever, it's fine, right? Because in most restrooms, there ain't no toilet paper. There are some, if you know, like a hotel or whatever, it's just fine. But I mean, if you're out and about in the wild of Bangkok, in the city, right? There ain't no toilet paper, man. You have to carry your own tissues. Or before you go in, they'll sell little packets of tissue for you. A couple baht. That's like a couple cents. But it's a pain in the butt. I mean, you know, you're going to have the coins to pay it or whatever. It's stupid, dude. You know? And they don't even give you a pack. They just give you like two plies. Two like small pieces that you can't even just like, just stupid. So what people use over there is one of them. Oh God, I don't even want to talk about this. If you go out in a country where you squat down, it's not even a seat, man. It's just a squat down, right? And this little bucket filled with water, and that water has probably been there for like, I don't know, 10 years or whatever. I don't know, man. You know, I don't use that stuff. So I don't try to use the restroom. But anyway, if you need to, right? And they're going to have this little plastic bucket. They're going to have to scoop this water and wash your butt with it. But if you go to a little more upgrade place in the country, there might be a little hose. Like a little shower hose that you just like a squeeze, right? Once you squeeze, a little like shower of water spray out. And that's what you wash your bum with, man. There ain't no toilet paper. Just beware. Always carry a pack of tissue paper with you. At all times. Seriously. Believe me. You're gonna thank me later. Alright, next one. Oh God, this is a weird one, man. In most restaurants, even in people's homes, you know what they use as napkins? Toilet tissue paper. Seriously. One of those roll that you wipe your butt with. Yeah. So what they do is that they're gonna take out the middle part, the paper part in the middle. So what they're gonna do is that they're gonna pull that out, and then they're gonna take it from in the middle part as like pieces to pull it out from a toilet paper. They're gonna be a little cover for it. Some people don't even use the cover. I don't know why, but most people have a little cover for it. So this little piece of paper is sticking out. I'm like, oh wow, yeah, hey, that's napkins. There ain't no napkins. It's toilet paper, dude. But you're in Thailand, just go along with it. If it's good for your butt, it's probably good for your face. Just weird stuff, man. All right, next one. You know those halls, the halls, cough drops or whatever, right? In Thailand, people consider that's candy because it's menthol, it's cooler, it's whatever. I don't know. They like that stuff. I don't know. Don't ask me. So when you see people carry those halls in the pocket, right? They offer you halls. Doesn't mean that they think you're sick or you need a cough drops, but they just think it's candy. Just take it and just put it away or toss it or I don't know. Do whatever you want with it. I'm just telling you, man. It's just weird. All right, next one. Thais are addicted to inhaler. I'm going to put the inhaler, I don't know, right here. I don't know how it is right there. There's a photo of inhaler. It's one of those like nasty looking thing, right? So you're gonna see a lot of taxi drivers. They've been driving you around with these inhalers stuffing up their nose. right? So you'll see like, people walking around Thailand and they'll have this inhaler, a bus driver or even people you come across, you know, especially like a lot of, I don't know. I think most people in Thailand, you might not see it, but always in their purse or pocket, they always have inhaler. I don't use them. I think it's strange. And people love that stuff. All right. So don't be surprised. You can ask them what they are, but they're probably like, they call it yadom. Yeah, I don't know, man. That's what they call it, yadom. It's like right here, this looking thing weird, man. This little weird looking thing. So yeah, you can try it if you want, but I wouldn't recommend it because you might be addicted to that crap. Okay, the Thai people, they love to repeat words 2-3 times. That is something that I don't understand myself. So just for instance, if your name is John, they'll call you John. Like 4 times, 5 times. All right? So, just for example, if they want you to invite you to eat something, like, hey John, you want to eat this? Eat is skin, right? So it'd be like, gin. Like, eat. You can ask them things like, you want to go, so go is, buy means go. You want to go with me. And they'll answer you most of the time. We'll just watch for it. They'll go, bye. I have no idea why, man. They just want to they repeat everything like 4 times, 5 times, sometimes more than that, So, yeah, just be prepared because it's gonna make you laugh. Make me laugh. I'm like, why you have to repeat that stuff like so many times, man? I caught you the first time. Anyway, all right, okay, next one. Most of the guys in Thailand, 99% of all Thai guys that born and raised in Thailand used to be a monk. Believe it or not, I wasn't. I was just one of the black sheep. I do everything that against everything that everyone else does. But yeah, everyone used to be a monk in some part of their life. They spend a lot of time in a monastery or temple. I would call it temple. Some people was a monk multiple times. All of them, almost all of them, or at least once, if they're Buddhists. They mostly used to be a monk one time or the other. And another weird thing is that when you get to a certain age in Thailand, I believe it's like 20 or 21, there's still a draft system in Thailand. Most guys gonna have to go and report themselves to the military headquarters. And the system is that either there's a bowl, all right? There's a bowl, and you can't see what's inside. You put your hands in there. If you pull out a ticket, it's a random ticket, and if it's black, then you free and clear. You go back to your normal life. But if you pull out the red, then you have to go straight to the military that day for at least 2 to 4 years. Don't ask me why. Okay? I was not a military. Again, like I said, I was a black sheep, and I guess nobody wants me. And guess what? Now I'm here teaching you this stuff. Okay, next one. Oh God, what is this, man? Oh yeah. You'll find out sooner or later. If you have nothing else to say to people, you want to create a conversation, you have to understand that most guys and most women in Thailand are afraid of ghosts. Yeah, they're afraid of spirits. They're afraid of the unknown. They're afraid of dark. I have no idea why. Once it's dark, they get all scared. Yeah, if you wanna scare someone, talk about ghosts at night. They'll get all scared. It's fun to watch. Even guys, and everyone have their own story about ghosts and spirits in some form or the other. But if you're there to learn about culture, that's a good way to interact with people. And if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.